Hello YouTubers! Today I wanted to show you 5 new Hot Wheels cars. Here we have Hollowback 1974 Toronto, Ford Focus, Camaro ZL1, and Nerf Hammer. Boy, it's really in there. I want to bend the wheels. Oh. Nope. I need scissors. These cars are all 1/64 scale. Some are die-cast and some are plastic, but all of them are custom painted. Here we have Hollowback. He's got awesome chrome finish all over its body, and it's number 9 with yellow windshields. This here Ford Toronto is full of Hot Wheels logos, and especially its number 7, and it's got white stripes going all over the top of the car, except for the ceiling or the roof. This is Ford Focus. It also has a bunch of Hot Wheels logos, but it has no number. And it's got a plastic spoiler, of course. And also, the weird thing is, the front wheel rims are yellow and the back rims are black. See? Different rim color. Here's the Camaro ZL1. It also has a bunch of Hot Wheels logos, and it's all red. And since it's red, take a look. It also has red tires. So then it looks like it's got high-speed wheels. But it's not really a high-speed wheels car. Here's the Camaro ZL1. It also has a bunch of Hot Wheels logos, and it's all red. And since it's red, take a look. It also has red tires. So then it looks like it's got high-speed wheels. But it's not really a high-speed wheels car. Nerf Hammer is all blue, and it looks like you can see the inside of the car. It doesn't have many Hot Wheels logos, but it does have blue tires. It does have blue tires, number 3, and it's got windows. It's got regular windows, and you can also see the engine under the hood. These two cars here. Well, on the package it says great for the track, so these two, well, these, even though they don't say great for the track, every one of these cars, we're going to give them some testing in the Power Tower track set. So here we have 5, so now I have all of the 5 cars loaded in this bottle. I got these 2 that might not so be great for the track, but I got the 2 great for the track cars in Leaf. So, first we're going to test the Car Chomping Beast and then go to the Buzzsaw. But let's do the Car Chomping Beast first. Here we go. just wait. Okay, here we go. Oh. Uh-oh. Camaro's out, and the Ford Focus is out. But he's still in. I guess these guys have a problem or something. But let's save these for later. 3 cars remaining. Uh-oh. Well, now this guy is out. The Toronto. Ford Toronto. 2 cars remaining is Nerf Hammer and Hollowback. Wow, these guys aren't having any problem at all. We're gonna do 3 more laps, and if they don't get chopped those 3 laps, we'll just go straight to the you know what, the buzzsaw. So that was lap 1, now lap number 2. And now lap number 3. Well, that's coming up. Just gotta wait for these guys to get to the top. They're getting there. And here we go. Yep, that was all. Let's just go to the buzzsaw now. So I've got all 5 cars in the same position that they were before. And now let's cut these cars. This thing isn't that dangerous. It's just going to make the cars wipe out and we jump. Okay, here we go. Oh, side wheel. Man, all 3 of those people are out. Let's take these guys out. So we have 2 cars left. Nerf Hammer and Hollowback. Wow, Nerf Hammer spun out. Ooh, that was wicky. Okay, here we go again. Choo. Come on, there we go. Well, these cars, uh-oh. Oh man! Nerf Hammer flipped over. Hollowback is the winner of the battle. Let's pull him to the start gate so we can congratulate his victory. Congratulations, Hollowback. Okay, tubies. Thanks for watching this video. And also check out the Hot Wheels Power Tower World Track set. And also the Hot Wheels 3-Lane Super Speedway. Thanks again, and bye-bye.